Learn Kiswahili. Communication, mawasiliano. Technology, teknolojia. Laptop, kipakatalishi. Camera, kamera. Computer, tarakilishi, or you can also say computer with a different spelling from computer, the English translation. Network or internet, mtandao. Battery, betri. Delete, futa. Website, tovuti. Phone, simu.